First go to the file and choose open. Select this watch image. Press open. Now take the ellipse tool. Enable shape option. Select the fill color. Now draw the circle like this. Right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Click Ctrl T for transform option. Now adjust the circle like this. Press enter. Now double click on this layer's thumbnail. Go to the file and choose place. Select this wallpaper image. Click place. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Press Ctrl T for transform option. Now adjust the image like this. Click enter. Go to the file and choose save. Now go to our main window and see the result.